Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Samsung TV brightness keeps changing, eco sensor, HDR, local dimming and settings. To stop your Samsung TV brightness from changing on its own, you need to disable ambient light, sensors and energy saving features in the settings. The most common culprits are brightness optimization, motion lighting, and contrast enhancer. Fix 1. Disable ambient light settings. Press the home button on your Samsung remote and go to menu. Then tap on settings and click on all settings. From there, navigate to general and privacy and then tap on power and energy saving. Now turn off both brightness optimization and brightness reduction. Fix 2. Turn off intelligent mode. Go to settings. In it, go to all settings. From there, navigate to general and tap on intelligent mode settings or intelligent mode. From there, turn off intelligent mode entirely to prevent adaptive picture settings from altering the brightness. Fix 3. Disable picture adjustments. Go to Settings, then tap on All Settings, and navigate to Picture, then click on Expert Settings. Now turn off Contrast Enhancer and Motion Lightning to prevent the TV from auto-adjusting based on the action on screen. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.